Are you ready for shocking, overnight, law of attraction manifestation in your life? Get ready.
This is Law of Attraction Secrets. Join Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach Robert Zink and prepare to be empowered.
Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today, we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. Thank you so much for tuning in. We are providing you these regular podcasts, and we are excited to be doing it. We are on iTunes, we're on Stitcher, we're on Anchor, we're all over the place. We're on Google Podcasts. We are everywhere, bringing the message of personal empowerment and the law of attraction alive to the world. We're helping everyone soar high like a beautiful eagle. By the way, if you are involved in anything that requires our help, visit us at lawofattractionsolutions.com. Claim your free 30 minutes of miracle mentoring and alchemy life coaching. You have everything to gain and absolutely nothing to lose. Your mind has no boundaries. That's an important fact. It's not a hypothesis. It's an absolute fact. And I think many times people sell themselves short. They feel helpless. They feel powerless. They feel weak. They feel afraid. They feel scared. But I'm here to tell you that this is your life. This is your time. This is your moment. And that you have unbelievable co-creator powers in your life. You have no limit. You have no boundaries. You have the ability to manifest the money you desire, the love that you crave, and the happiness that you absolutely depend upon. So the first part of this, if you really want to have shocking overnight law of attraction success, if that's really important to you, is that you must absolutely believe that you have the power to make it happen. Don't try. Oh, I'm just trying, Robert. It reminds me of a guy named Phil Dirt. Phil Dirt used to always try, but he never accomplished. He was always in a state of trying, but never in a state of manifesting. You manifest when you realize that the God force energy of the universe flows through you. Take a deep breath right now. You deserve it. Feels absolutely good. I had one client, for example, he said, I'm unemployed, but I want to start a business. I said, start the business. Within a week, he had an investor that put in $25,000. A week. That's how fast it happens. Manifestation isn't slow. The process of getting everything into the right place, of getting the tumblers into the right place, that can be slow. That can take a little time. It's called divine timing. But when it happens, kaboom, high flyers, it's like nothing you have experienced before. It happens overnight. All of a sudden, you've got a new career. Your business is taking off. You met somebody and you've fallen deeply in love. Everything happens fast. It happens overnight. He got $25,000 in 1 week. Then he raised over $2 million, or even more than that, has an incredible company. I got an email from him because we started working together again. I got an email from him where in 1 week, he attracted $800,000 and is now working on $5 million. I'm talking about the money you desire fast. Okay? I don't believe in slow. I do not believe in slow. And people that work with me, they say, Robert, you really want everything done fast. I said, why not? That's how it happens in the universe. Things happen fast. Whole new galaxies are created overnight. Overnight, almost instantly. I had one of my clients, she went into a store broke. She went into a grocery store broke. High flyers. And she walked out a millionaire. Think about it. That's how fast manifestation can happen in your life. You have the ability to attract the life you desire. I look at people call me and they go, Robert, I really want to make more money, or I really want to have a better relationship with someone, or I want to win the person that I love back into my life. And that's easy. Say it. That's easy. Write that down below. If you're listening on YouTube, say that's easy. You can attract your lost lover back into your life like that. You just got to stop trying and start doing. I want you to do this with me. Okay, you're going to walk into a movie theater. And as you walk into this movie theater, it's completely dark. Completely dark. You're the only one in there. You're the only one in there. And you take a seat in the center of the theater. And the curtains, you know how the curtains used to pull apart? They don't do that so much anymore in the new theaters, but the curtains used to open. I thought that was cool. I think we need to go back to those curtains, Rachel. I love those curtains opening. Those big gold curtains opening, and there's the white screen. And the movie starts. And on that movie, you see your life exactly the way it is right now. Maybe you see yourself looking into your wallet and there's no money, or checking with your bank account and the bank says you're overdrawn, or maybe you're checking your email and there's no letter from your boyfriend or your girlfriend. Whatever is going on in your life. Maybe you're living in a little crappy one-room apartment and you'd like to live in a nicer home. Maybe you're driving an old beat-up pickup truck like I used to have to drive. It was beat up. It had holes in it. It was terrible. And I couldn't even afford to get it licensed. That's how bad things were. Whatever it is, whatever your reality is, I want you to see it on the screen. I want you to look at it as if it were a movie taking place. And then reach into your pocket. Reach into your pocket. And inside your pocket is a big, giant, bright, red marble. And sitting next to the seat next to you is a slingshot. And you're going to put that red marble into the slingshot. And I want you to actually feel your hand pulling that red marble all the way back as far as you can until you can almost feel like the rubber band is about ready to snap. And then on the count of 3, let it go. 1, 2, 3. See that marble flying through the air and hitting that screen, and it's glass, and it just shatters. Just see it shattering in 1,000 pieces and falling to the ground. And then take a deep breath, and boom, you are outside the theater, and you are in your new home. You are driving your new car. You're with your girlfriend or boyfriend or your husband or wife. You've got a pile of money in your bank account, and you feel incredible. And I want you to stay with this picture for at least 5 to 10 minutes. I want you to just enjoy this experience. Just absolutely enjoy it. Maybe you're going out to one of the finer restaurants. You're taking a dream vacation. I want you to stay with this experience. And then when you're done, open your eyes. Open your eyes. And allow. Did you hear the word I just said? Allow. Not try. Allow the manifestation to literally come into your life. You see, when you break up that old picture, you break up the track that you are on. You're a train on a track and you're headed for a cliff. But guess what? Somebody just pulled the emergency brake. And now you're on a new airliner flying in the destiny of your dreams and goals. So that's what I'm saying is that by walking into the theater, watching your life the way it is, looking at your life and saying, I don't like this isn't me, but looking at it, actually seeing it up on that screen. But you see what I'm saying? You're distancing yourself from your life now because it's up on the screen. It's no longer your life. And when you break it with that big red marble, a symbol of your power, a symbol of your will, when you break it and crack that screen up into 1,000 pieces, you're saying, whatever was in my life is no more. I've just destroyed it. And now you immediately feel yourself surrounded. You're no longer watching yourself on the screen. You're in the picture and you're visualizing and experiencing your life the way you deserve it to be, the way you absolutely deserve it to be. Oh, this happens fast. I'm telling you, I have done this technique and experienced manifestation overnight. Overnight. I do it in the evening as I'm falling asleep. I wake up in the morning and the manifestation has happened. It's an incredible thing. Now, hey, listen, if you have to do it 2 or 3 nights in a row, do it. But you're not trying. You're just doing. Okay? Start off where you're at now, and then you go forward. Thank you so much for watching our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching us and sharing us with your friends on Facebook and Instagram and all over. That means a huge amount of gratitude on my part, and Rachel's part, and Julian's part, and everybody here at Law of Attraction Solutions. Thank you so much. Visit our website at lawofattractionsolutions.com. And by the way, when you leave a comment on one of our articles, you're automatically included. You're automatically included in our monthly drawing, where we're giving away 3 months free, absolutely free, of miraclehypnosisonline.com. It's a giveaway. You just have to read one of the articles, make a comment. You're entered into the contest. That simple. Okay, we're out of time. You have a great day because you absolutely deserve it. Bye-bye now.